Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. So we're coming to a crossroads now for Injective, and the key level of resistance is just not giving in. It's this golden pocket area, which is actually a signal that as long as it's being maintained, the bears are in total control and looking for price to continue lower than our lowest point down here. But understand that the 200 EMA sitting beneath all of the price action is making this a bullish trend, because this will serve as the bottom of our uptrend. If we zoom out a little bit, you can see that as long as we are above this white line, we eventually do just continue higher. You don't necessarily need to come down to it, but that is serving as an optimal entry point for trades or investments as long as it is actually maintained and we do go ahead and break that high. So in today's update, I'm going to show you how the bulls take back control from the bears, and the level that needs to be broken in order to create this bullish reversal. So please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share so we can hit 7.5k subs before the end of this year. And just in the last couple of days of this month, I still have my Black Friday discounts available on the website, or head straight to the Twitter. Links are down below. Now, if we're looking at this golden pocket over here, we need to understand that while we are underneath this level, there's always risks of heading lower or beneath this range, essentially looking for new lows. But understand that the 200 EMA is what protects us, as I just previously shown in this video update. And so even if we do start to see a dump, we need to maintain this low. I think that's the 236 fib at about $15.20. So this is if we actually lose the 55 right now. And of course, as we have seen a bullish crossover here, then we should anticipate a break where the reversal wave is created. However, as it hasn't yet been created, we're not being given that green light to say Injective is now moving up to $27, which would be a $11 move from today's current price. Now, while we are still holding the bullish cross over here, the 20 and the 55, it's still going to give us chances of breaking out. But again, this is the level where bears are just in control and protecting, keep sending us lower. It's also a neckline of a pattern, an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So we know that this is a very key level that if broken, the bulls will take power, will take total control, and this will allow the reversal wave to be created, which is where we break this high and look for higher price targets, eventually ending up in us getting back up to the previous all-time high of $27. Now, this $27 target is not going to come from this inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is just going to show you that if we break the neckline, there's a technical target out of it, but the fibs is what's going to give us potential targets to the upside. So we can see that the technical target out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, shoulder, head and shoulder, would take us to the 1272 at $20, and this would be a move from the breakout, a 20% move. Now from today's current price, it will be a little bit more, maybe a 25% move. Yes, that's correct. Now I wouldn't just say, oh, this is where we're going to top out, this is where everything will come crashing back down and we won't see higher. When we zoom out a little bit, we can see over here, as we're using these longer term fibs, that we actually held the 786 as support. We broke through and have now over the past few weeks been holding above that as support, and allowed, as we've ranged, for the 200 EMA to drag up and actually hold above the 786. So we know that the bottom of our uptrend lies above the 786 fib, and as long as that is support, which is obviously shown by the range we've created, as well as the 200 EMA, we should continue to the next technical target, which is $27. And we've also placed these fibs showing us the golden pocket, which once broken, the bullish reversal wave is created with targets as high as $29. So we can see that we would be taken back all the way to the previous all-time high, which is exceptionally bullish, of course, because once we break through that, we're looking at our bull market targets. And so of course this can all go wrong. Remember, we need to break through this level in order for this to actually come to fruition. Until those very moments, there are still the risks of dumping. And again, if this 55 moving average over here at $16.33 is actually lost, we're coming back down to the 236 fib, $15.20, which actually lies above where I've already set that larger 786 fib at pretty much $13.88. So continue to now hold this 55. Hopefully this can give in, and then we create this bullish reversal wave for a price target of $27. If this actually does not break the high and we do lose the 55, then we're expecting this short-term dump, which would be a move to the downside of about 7.5% almost back down to the 236 fib, where at all costs this bullish uptrend needs to be held, as this serves as the bottom. And so eventually, even if we do lose this key level of support, we should then reclaim it and go back on that bullish path where we eventually see $27. All of this does change if we lose that 786 fib down here at $13.88. And if that does actually occur, I'll make a follow-up update in the just to summarize, even if we do dump from here, as long as we're catching support on the 200 EMA, we're looking for further continuation to the upside. But that doesn't need to be the case. Can we now just bounce off the shorter term moving averages, flip this golden pocket into support so we can create this bullish reversal wave? And this is where the moment where the bulls actually take control, a total control of Injective, and we should be expecting higher price targets. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and also got 2 more days left on my discount. So use the links down below to head to the website or to my Twitter for more information. Cheers everyone. Our Black Friday sale is now available on the website for the remainder of the month. This will apply on the ebook, course and mentorship plans. Private message me on Twitter, links down below for more information, or head straight to the website. Cheers everyone.